Hey guys, how's it going? Well, I'm out here doing a vacuum out job on the old Exploder work truck because last night while I was mowing, thanks to one of the utility installing companies who left me a whole bunch of rocks along my fence, it did explode. Glass everywhere. So I'm just vacuuming it out so we can get a new windshield put in a couple of days, or window. But I just wanted to show you something. If you have one of these little 5-gallon wet or dry shop vacs, one of the problems with them is they rust out. Now this one isn't rusted out yet, but it's well on its way. And I just wanted to let you know, if you have one of these that's rusted, or you find one, say at a rummage sale, that's rusted out, but the motor still runs, don't throw that dude away or pick it up pretty cheap. Because if you take a regular 5-gallon bucket, it fits down on there perfectly. It locks. It works. Everything fits. It works perfectly. So, if you have one that's rusted out, or say you are vacuuming up a bunch of stuff that you don't necessarily want in there, something that's, you know, a powdered chemical or something that got spilled, something that's nasty smelling, get you an old 5-gallon bucket, put it in there, and you can even line your bucket with a plastic bag if you want to, and put you a weight down in the bottom of it, and then it'll capture whatever you're sucking up, especially if it's like this, broken glass. I mean, broken glass. And then you can just pull the bag out. But anyway, another little short hack there. Thanks for watching, guys.